Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another script tip. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to master your next commercial audition. But before I do, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, it'll really help me out. Thank you. Commercial auditions aren't nearly as complicated to prepare for as film and TV auditions. That being said, there are still plenty of tips and tricks we can apply to help improve the quality of our auditions and help us stand out. First up is the main point. It comes down to two simple things. What are you selling and who are you selling it to? It's just that easy. Are you selling ease, comfort, happiness, simplicity? Are you providing information? And then who are you selling it to? Are you selling it to your grandmother, to your parents, to your brother or sister, to your best friend, to a childhood friend, to your friend who likes to party maybe a little too much? This is going to dictate how you speak, right? Because you have a different point of view on who you're speaking to. For example, I wouldn't do a Depends commercial the same way I would do a kid's toy commercial. Right? These Depends offer no leakage. Yeah! It would be ridiculous. Nor would I do a beer commercial the way I might do a Roth IRA investment portfolio commercial, right? Knowing what you're selling and who you're selling to will greatly improve the way you prepare for your commercial auditions. Next, for those of you familiar with my script checklist, you're going to recognize this term, tactics. The tactic I use for almost every commercial audition is simply to excite. I want to get whoever I'm talking to excited about the product I'm talking to them about. That's it. And one last simple tip for your next commercial audition is a bit of an artificial note. When saying the last line of your audition, make sure you end the line up instead of down. The reason being, commercials tend to be more upbeat, and ending your sentence up gives it a little bit more energy and optimism rather than down, which feels a bit depressing. And that's it. Simply apply these concepts to your next commercial audition and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. I'd also love to hear what topics you'd like me to make a video of next. Tell me in the comments below. Take care and best of luck with all of your future auditions.